I am Jaden and I'm a Torchwood team member. What I do at Torchwood Landscaping is all kinds of things. Putting in edging, tearing out around a house and doing a fresh install, trees, plants, etc. A lot of hardscape, softscape stuff. We do all types of stuff. What made me decide to work at Torchwood is I was already working at a landscaping place that I feel like just wasn't really a good fit for me. A good friend of mine was working for Torchwood and they actually referred me here. I like it a lot better here, it's nice, and I just love working outside, so it just fit. My favorite part about working at Torchwood is seeing the customer's face at the end of the job and how happy they are with the work. You know, starting a job and seeing what it looks like, and then afterwards, once the job is finished, just seeing that complete transformation. It's just a beautiful thing. A favorite memory I have at Torchwood is there was a lady we were working for. After we had finished the job, she had brought us out a pizza, and it just made my day. I knew she was grateful, she was happy, and so it was awesome. So outside of work, I like to create music. I love making music. I love playing video games, and I really just like spending time with my family and my friends.